Hello, this is your favorite channel Q It Kids Art Style. Try to guess where I'm hiding.
Hickory-dickory-dock, the mouse ran up the clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick.
Enjoy watching our little artists. If you liked our pictures, please subscribe and give a like so that we can meet more often.